Hello, my name is Ashley Simone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do content about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. Today I'm sharing the things that I rented from Nuuly. I rented like 10 things, and I think these will be great for Thanksgiving if you are one of the people who just wake up, put a little makeup on and sit in the living room all day, or if you're one of the people who travel to family, or even those who go out to dinner. These are great options for you to wear for Thanksgiving, and you can rent them. They're luxury items, they're good quality and cute and fashionable, and I can fit them. I'm a size 16, 18. I typically wear 2X, 1X, XXL in certain brands. And yeah, let's get into this haul. I have everything sitting right here. I'm gonna touch it, feel it, tell you the size, tell you who it's from, and then I'm gonna put on the side of the screen my try on haul and also some things I re-rented because I'm thinking about purchasing them. So I'm gonna put up any pictures or anything I have in those. And then I think I have 2 items that I have not tried on, so we're gonna try those on towards the end. But make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I have enough subscribers for being monetized, but I don't have enough watch hours. So if you want to play my videos in the background and loop them, I would really appreciate it because your girl's trying to get monetized before next year. So the first thing we have is this dress. It's like the edges like curve. I really like it. I don't know, it reminds me of like a leaf. It is in a size 2X and it's from Anthropologie. I will say that it's one of those dresses that's really cute, like when you're standing, but then when you sit down, it does bunch up a little bit. It has a very low V, so it does show some cleavage, and I noticed that was what a lot of people were complaining about. I did style it, and you'll see it in the video, with an undershirt with some like bell sleeves, and I thought that was really cute with some tights and some boots to just really make it fall, because I feel like this is something you can wear like in the spring, in the summer, and also transition into the fall with how I styled it. It's very heavy, it's good quality, and I love the chartreuse color on me. As y'all can see, I've red is one of my colors. Everybody thinks it's my favorite color. It's not my favorite color, but I wear it a lot because it brings out my features. Everybody tells me it's my color, but this is definitely one of my colors as well, and it feels like really good quality. What is it made out of? It's made in Indonesia, and yeah, I don't know what kind of material it's made out of, but it feels very heavy duty and just very nice quality. The next thing I got was this skirt. I'm gonna put it on the screen how I styled it. I absolutely love this skirt. It isn't like double lined or anything, but it's not see-through. It's an 18W and it's by Cachel. I'll put the brand name on the screen. I think it's just really cute. I always say in almost every video that leopard print is my favorite color. I know a lot of people say it's a print or it's a pattern, but it is my favorite color. And I love how it just has all of these different patterns on it. And this is something I'm thinking about keeping. I'm gonna see how much it is to buy it. They do give you a discounted price once you rent it, so some things can be sometimes 70% off, some things can be 20% off. So I'm gonna see how discounted it is, because I could really use this in my wardrobe. The next thing I got was this dress, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the sleeves on it. I love the waist. It has like these belts, and it's double belted, and it kind of cinches in the waist. It's from Exquise. I'll put it on the screen. I got it in a 2X, and it was made in Istanbul, made in Turkey. It is very good quality. It is absolutely beautiful, and this is something as well that I'm thinking about buying. And I could see this. I'm going on a trip this weekend to the Texas book festival, and I'm definitely thinking about wearing this with like some sneakers, and I paired it like this with some sneakers, a purse. I just feel like it's really comfortable, it's very casual, and it's very fall here in Texas. I don't know about colder climates, but here in Texas, this is perfect for fall because yeah, it's still kind of, I think the lowest it's been getting is like in the 60s. This top I absolutely love. I've been really trying to get more burgundy in my closet. Another thing, they just sent me like a gift card, so I'm like, I might just use that entire gift card on buying everything that I rented this month because it is absolutely beautiful. This is from Grey Lab and I got it in a 1X, and I think I only got it in a 1X because they didn't have it in a 2X, but I love it. I actually wore the navy and green version of this at the beginning, towards the beginning of this year, to the zoo, and I loved how I styled it. So I was like, when November comes, I'm definitely gonna have to try this again, but I wanted to try in a different color. It's very heavy again. It just feels like good quality, good material. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is made in China, but yeah, it is just very heavy material, and I think I paired this with some jeans, and this is another outfit that I'm going to take with me to the book festival. Now this dress I'm obsessed with. It is like one of my favorite things I've ever rented from Nuuly. It is from the brand, I believe it's Maeve or Anthropology. The tag is coming off of this one, Maeve, and I got it in a size 1X. They do say online to size down in it. It is just so beautiful, and I feel like it's still fall, even though it's like a bandeau top. It's still fall because it has like the pattern in it. And you can wear this with a blue jean jacket if it's cold where you are. You can wear a t-shirt under it, or a long sleeve, or a turtleneck. I just love it so much, and I just wanted to rent it one more time because when you rent it, you can potentially buy it. So I want to rent it to potentially buy it, but then I don't know, some of these other things, I feel like this is very niche, and it's something that won't always like, it's something I can't wear like on a daily basis. I mean, obviously I can if it's my choice, but I feel like the other things are more, I can incorporate them more in my wardrobe and wear them different ways. I mean, I just named off 3 ways to wear this with a turtleneck, a t-shirt, and a blue jean jacket. But I don't know. I'm like, do I want to focus on unique pieces, or do I want to focus on things that I'll actually get a lot of wear out of? So next I got this jacket. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. It is from Unreal Fur, and I got it in a 3X, and I'm so glad I did, because sometimes like these little fur jackets, sometimes they can be tight in the arms or just not big enough. So I did size up in this, and I feel like it fits perfectly. Every year I say every year, the last 2 years, I've rented a jacket, and I've been debating if I wanted to buy them, but it just doesn't get that cold here in Texas. So it's definitely something I'm glad that I can just rent. Last year, I rented a lot of jackets when I went to Colorado. It was perfect, but it doesn't really get cold here until like February, and it's like only 2 weeks, honestly, truly. This next dress, I was obsessed with it when I rented it a couple months ago, so I rented it again. I think this is perfect for Thanksgiving Day. You can wear a blue jean jacket or a shirt underneath it if it is cold where you are, but I just thought it was so cute, and I wanted to rent it again. It was very flattering on my body, like it's cinched in at my waist, and I just thought that it just looks so good on me, so I rented it so I can potentially buy it. I don't know, like I said, it's so many things in this unboxing that I don't even know if I want the 2 items that I was originally wanting to buy. Like, it's so many good things. So I'm gonna see how discounted they are, and then I'll tell y'all maybe on my other social medias. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok what I actually bought this month. I never really buy anything, but I've been, you know, slowly thinking and remembering things that I really loved, so that at the end of this year I can go ahead and buy it. So the next 2 items I did not try on, so I'm going to try them on for you on camera. Okay, first thing first is this jacket. It is heavy, and it has a pattern on the inside. It's so cute. This fur is so thick. I don't know if y'all can see. It is so thick. There is no reason why I would ever wear this in Texas, unless it's like those, you know, 2 months or if it snows, but it is so cute. It makes me think of like the cheetah girls, the early 2000s, when they wear the jackets with the trim and the fur. Let's see where this is from. It is from Hutch, and I got in a size 2X. It is so heavy, y'all. I think this is like 50 pounds almost. Oh my goodness. The next item is this dress. I actually feel like I have rented this before. It is gorgeous. I'm trying to like go back so y'all can see the full length. It's like tiered. It has a lot of ruching right here. I love the sleeves. Honestly, truly, I don't know if this is for Thanksgiving, but it's so cute. I mean, I guess you could wear it for Thanksgiving if you're going like to a fancy dinner, or you want to just be extra in your living room. It is very forgiving, so you don't have to worry about like people seeing you bloated or seeing you, you know, whatever. It has a lot of room in it. I was able to just slide it right up, and I didn't even have to worry about unzipping it. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'll put the size and the brand on the screen. But I love it. She's so cute. I might keep this for my cruise, like for a formal night. This is so cute. Well, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that this inspired you and gave you some ideas for what you can wear for Thanksgiving. Remember to love yourself fiercely, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.